Hi everyone. Today we are going to study on these topics: plant succession, characters of ecotune and edge effects, succession, hydroserie and xeroserie. Plant succession can be defined as the process of gradual replacement of one plant community by another plant community which is of stable type. It occurs over a period of time. Types: primary succession and secondary succession. So, it's nothing but the replacement of the one plant community by another plant community at the particular period of time is known as the plant succession. Primary succession. Primary succession is a succession that starts in lifeless areas such as the regions lacking of soil or the areas where the soil is unable to sustain life. When the planet was first formed, there was no soil on Earth. The Earth was only made up of rocks. These rocks were broken down by microorganisms and lead to form soil. The soil then becomes the foundation of life. These plants help in the survival of different animals and progress from primary succession to climax community. If this primary ecosystem is destroyed, secondary succession takes place. Primary means first. When the planet was formed, there was no soil on earth. If it was there a little bit, but it was unable to sustain the plant life. So, earth was mainly made up of many rocks. So, these rocks were broken by the microorganisms and they forms the soil. Then the soil became the foundation of the many plant life. So, the plants started growing and survive. And then primary succession moves to the climax community. This climax community, I'll tell you meaning in next slide. Here is the diagram of the primary succession. You can see here the rocks were present in the planet. Then they are destroyed by the microorganisms and it forms the soil. Then the plant life was started. Secondary succession. Secondary succession occurs when the primary ecosystem gets destroyed. For example, a climax community gets destroyed by fire. In ecology, the final stage of biotic succession attended by a plant under environmental conditions present at particular time is known as climax community. It gets recolonized after the destruction. This is known as secondary ecological succession. Small plants emerge first, followed by large plants. The tall trees blocks the sunlight and change the structure of the organisms. Finally, the climax community arrives. So, after the primary succession, there is the secondary succession. So, primary succession is get destroyed by the fire, then that is the and next the secondary succession begins. And here is the climax community. It is nothing but the all plants start growing under the particular environmental condition at a given time is known as the climax community. Means it is the end of the community or it where the plant starts growing and developed and they starts giving life. So this is known as the secondary succession. Here is the picture of the secondary succession. You can see here where the tree is fired, that is the end of the primary succession, and next the secondary succession starts to begin. Echo tune. An echo tune is an area that acts as a boundary or transition between two ecosystems. A common example could be an area of marshland between a river and its river bank. Ecotunes are of great environmental importance because the area is transition between two ecosystems. It is natural that it contains a large variety of species of fauna and flora as the area is influenced by both the bordering ecosystems. Examples of ecotunes includes the marshlands between dry and wet ecosystems are called as the marshlands. Grasslands, the grassland is nothing but the area between the desert and forest. Ecotune means it is the nothing but the boundary of two ecosystem such as a river and its river bank. So river is a one ecosystem and river bank is a another ecosystem. These two are called as the two ecosystems. These two borders are called as the ecotune. So in this two ecosystem we can see the different type of the species like animals and plants, and there will be lot of varieties we can see in this border ecosystem. Characters of the ecotunes. It may be wide or a narrow. It is a zone of tension. Why? Because this is the zone of tension means it contains the bordering ecosystem, means it contains the two border ecosystems or species. So they'll be having a lot of varieties and the varieties of characters. So it is the zone of tension. It could contain species that are entirely different from those found in the bordering system, as I told you, because in both ecosystem we can see the different types of the species. Ecotunes can be natural or man-made. For example, ecotune between an agriculture field and forest is man-made one. So in ecotunes they can be a natural or a man-made. These are the few characters of the ecotunes. Here is the picture of the ecotunes. You can see here ecosystem 1 and here is a ecosystem 2. Okay, and a middle one is a ecotune or marshland where it is the end of the both ecosystem we can see here, and you can see here the river and you can see here the land. So it is called as the land ecosystem and it is called as the aquatic ecosystem. Means here on land we can find the different species, on water we can find the different species. So these characters varies a lot. So next one is the edge effects. Edge effects refers to the changes in the population or community structures that occur at the border of two habitats. Generally, there is a greater number of species found in these regions, and this is called edge effect. The species found here are called edge species. So edge effect means there is a changes in population or a community structure that occurs at the border of a two habitats is known as the edge effects. Here are the edge effect characters. Edge effect refers to the changes in population or community structures that occurs at the boundary of two habitats. Sometimes the number of species and the population density of some of species in ecotune is much greater than either community is called edge effect. The organisms which occurs primarily or most abundantly in this zone are known as edge species. In the terrestrial ecosystems, edge effect is especially applicable to birds. For example, the density of birds is greater in the ecotune between the forest and desert. So, these are the few characters of the edge effects. Hydroxyre. Hydroxyre is a plant progression in which an open freshwater naturally dries out, steadily becoming marsh, etc. in the end woodland. Hydroxyre means nothing but it is the dry of the water. You can see in the picture, you can see it is divided into three types. First, you can see first one, there is a river, and next one there is a little bit river and there is a land, and third one is there is the loss of water and you can visible only a land, that is called as the dry, that is known as the hydroxyre. Here are the characters of hydroxyre. Succession takes place in wet habits. It's a first step in submerged plant stage. Plants of a first stage are hydrilla, etc. Succession is limited to 6 steps such as submerged stage, floating stage, reed, swamp stage, woodland stage, and climax forest stage. Hydroxyre is a plant succession which occurs in an area of fresh water such as in lakes and kettle lakes. So, here are the few characters of hydroxyre. And next one is xeroxyre. Xeroxyre is a succession of environmental communities which originated in an enormous dry habitat such as sand desert, sand or salt desert or a rock desert. In picture you can see the xeroxyre development. And here are the characters of the xeroxyre. Succession begins with bark rocks, desert, example dry places. It's a first step in the blue-green algae as well as thyroid plant stage. Plants of the first stage are rhizocarpon or etc. This succession is ended by stages such as moss stage, herb stage, shrub stage, and climax forest stage. The xeroxyre succession of ecological communities originated in the extremely dry situation such as sand desert, sand, salt desert, rock deserts, etc. So, xeroxyre means it is nothing but the plants which are originated in a dry places or a dry area is known as the xeroxyre. So, these are the few characters of the xeroxyre, and this is the end of today's class, and in next class we'll meet with different topic. Thank you.